So here we have the Hyundai Tucson automatic on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As we approach the boot, you can see we have reversing sensors. This car's also got a full colour reversing camera, loads of boot space, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, and then underneath this tray section, a full-size alloy spare wheel. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles for this car, which are 7,945. Above that, we have the trip computer. So we're on the kind of driving data screen at the moment. You can have a digital readout for the speedometer, amongst other things. And there are other pieces of information you can have up here, from satellite navigation, various systems, your audio menu, car settings, user settings, and then background to the beginning again. The buttons that I was using to do that are just here. We have cruise control and speed limiter over that side as well. On the left-hand side, we have phone and stereo controls. The stereo controls can be used once you pair up the phone, and that is done over on the center screen just here. Hit the phone button on the main stereo, and then it's all touchscreen from there. We're going to select no at the moment. When it comes to music, we have the radio. This car has got FM, AM and DAB digital radio. If you want to listen to your own music, press the media button. Nothing is connected at the minute. You can connect up an auxiliary device, a USB device. You can also stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio once you paired your phone. This car's also got satellite navigation. You access it via these buttons. There's a full video showing how that works on our website and on our YouTube channel as well. If I pop the car into reverse, that's that full colour reversing camera that I mentioned, and you can hear the parking sensors doing their thing as well. Below that, we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature, you can increase and decrease the fan speed, you can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in within the car. When you're happy with those settings, this button turns your air conditioning off in this case, or back on again, and you can see it's on by that little light, and also it's hard to see in the sun, but it will say AC just there when the air conditioning is on, not when it's off. We have the ability then to turn it to automatic climate control. So press auto, the car will now take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain those temperatures for you. Any manual override of that will turn auto off, as you can see. We have a heated driver seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same over on the passenger side. 2 12-volt charging sockets, the auxiliary and USB inputs as well. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. We have an electronic handbrake with auto hold function. We can turn the parking sensors on and off from here. And then these 2 buttons, starting with this one, I'll show you up on here. So press that button, you get that green symbol come onto the right-hand side of the speedometer. That's to let you know that I've turned on downhill brake control, and you can turn it off again. And in the middle, the orange symbol that says Sport, that's to let you know that you've put the driving mode for the car into Sport or back into normal. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.